Hello guys, ayan papunta kami ng Walmart today kasi bibili kami ng panghanda sa Thanksgiving. Excited ako kasi first time ko maka-experience ng Thanksgiving. Pero 2 weeks pa kaya kailangan lang namin bumili ng ibang gamit pa. Like turkey kasi minsan wala na kapag malapit na yung okasyon. Sina-charge pa yung battery na ubos. Oh, look at that. Guys, yung sunflower ko humabol. Malapit na mag-winter. Ayan, buti na mulaklak pa kasi pag winter na mamamatay siya. Buti na mulaklak na siya. Ayan. Surrounding different color. Oh wow, first time I see like this.
I mean, I see it all the time, so nothing.
Yeah, it looks so nice. Look at that everywhere.
It's gonna be fall. It's fall time, that's right.
Make sure honey that there is a front, okay? I will get that. Okay, thank you. You know, like, I will show them the surroundings.
There's both sides.
Na-amaze ako guys sa color ng ng mga puno ngayon. Different color. I just see this in a video and in a movie, honey. Then now I'm watching it. Looks so nice. And you're just ignoring it because you are...
Well, you just see it all the time, so you know.
Yeah, but me, I'm amazed.
It's like when you go to the
In
house.
Philippines, it's like just green grass of home.
Green grass home.
You know that? green grass of home.
My favorite song. My favorite song.
Very colorful.
Are you recording us?
Yeah, but okay.
I'm recording you singing me.
Huh? Hey guys, when we go out, the trees is so green. And now, change fast, right?
Yellow, orange,
Yellow, orange, red.
green.
Yeah,
Different colors. Some are evergreen, some stay green forever.
yeah.
Cypress trees, like the cypress trees right there.
That one late. That is late. Become.
No, stay green all year.
Oh really?
Like that. Those are like Christmas trees. Those are evergreens. It's all evergreen.
Look at the turkey. Paano to? Hindi abot sa taing ako. Honey, my ears.
I know. You got that hat on.
Huh?
So I was saying you gotta go under that hat.
No, it's not like that.
There's a little blood.
Spring hat.
And you put the hat on over that.
This look ugly. You look ugly if you do that.
Oh, good.
Which one? Yeah.
The lights too already.
Oh, nice. This one is cute also, honey. But ayan guys, nagtingin lang kami ng Christmas tree. Then, bumili na siya kasi dalawa na lang yung stock. Hindi namin plano. Tumingin lang kami tapos ayan, bumili na siya. Dito guys, nagdi-decor ng Christmas. Naglalagay ng Christmas decor under Thanksgiving. Dani. We're not plan to buy any, huh?
I don't know how you are about Christmas.
What's that? Don't have much for decor. Can fit that one there? See? Cannot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wala pa kaming lunch guys. Kaya kumain muna kay Cookie.